Geeta and I are the two certified family mediators here at Connect Family Law. Mediation is an out-of-court process where couples will work towards a separation agreement resolving issues around parenting, support, financial issues, with the assistance of a neutral mediator who's going to facilitate that discussion. And then we also draft the agreement itself as well. What have you noticed, Geeta, about how prepared people are for mediation?
It really varies from file to file, but what I do find is that the more prepared parties are coming into the process, the more likely we are to reach a resolution on at least some, if not all, of the issues.
Yes, and one of the really big areas for preparation is what we call disclosure, essentially making sure that both people have all the information and documents that they need to make good, informed decisions. So I talk about that as having all the pieces of the puzzle on the table before we start creating the puzzle. So before talking about what the amounts are or talking about options for resolution, we need to make sure that both people have all the information they need to do that well.
And some clients come into the mediation process with lawyers, some don't, and the ones that don't will often get legal advice at the end of the process. But what I think is really helpful is if they have advice before coming in and they know what their rights and obligations are before entering into these negotiations, as well as getting any other professional advice, reaching out to a financial advisor, getting an appraiser to do a property appraisal if needed.
Absolutely. And I would say the other really important aspect of preparation is really about mindset. People can have this win-lose idea, but when you go into mediation, you're wanting to reach an agreement with the other person, so it is going to have to be something that both of you can live with. So that means having a mindset of compromise, open-mindedness, thinking creatively about solutions that may work best for everyone overall.
And that all being said, when you enter into the mediation process, as mediators, we will meet with each party individually and we'll let them know, what would be helpful to prepare for the mediation.
Yeah, if you have any other questions, we'd love to hear from you here at Connect.